Hi guys, welcome back to my
channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Anne, I'm with my little girl, and we're going to show you a super cute style that'd be really perfect for a first Holy Communion or a wedding or just a special party. It is really cute and it just takes minutes, I promise. There's no curling involved. It looks super curly, didn't have to curl it at all. No heat, just pins and a few bubbles, that was it. Okay, so let's get started. I've done a side parting, and then from the end of that parting line, I've sectioned down towards her ears to make 3 sections. With that centre section, I've put it into a low ponytail. I'm splitting into 2, and I'm twisting each section clockwise, but then crossing them anti-clockwise across one another. So each section twists around clockwise, then you twist them back over themselves in the opposite direction. When you hold what you've done, if you do about 3 or 4 twists, and then you just tease out those crossover sections, it just makes it a lot more full. So you're going to continue doing this all the way down. So the 2 pieces, twist them clockwise, but then cross them anti-clockwise. And do a few twists, and then again, pull out again, keep teasing on the hair. So twisting clockwise, crossing anti-clockwise. And it helps if when you're doing your pulling out, you're holding the hair loosely so that you can just tease that hair up and you can pull it up through your hand slightly. When I am holding all the hair together, I keep my finger in between the 2 to kind of just keep them separate. So going to do another ponytail on the left hand side now. I'm going to repeat that process. So just twisting and then teasing. I find it much easier if you twist and tease, twist and tease. If you twist all the way to the bottom, it can then make it trickier to tease it up and make it look neat. You end up getting it a bit sort of wonky. So that's why I find it better to just twist a few sections and then tease it, twist a few more sections, then tease it. Okay, so now I've got our 3 twists. I'm going to do some little buns. So I'm going to just curl it around and pin. So I'm not going to wrap it all around like a bun to begin with. I'm going to just flip it over, pin it. I'm going to curl around a bit more and pin it. Curl around a bit more and pin it. Because I want to try and keep this shape nice and big. So I'm just using these bobby pins, just hooking them in, pushing them back on themselves. And you just need to use as many as you need to. My little girl's got very thick hair, so she needs quite a lot of pins. And then with the one on the left-hand side, just going to go again, just wrap it around itself. I'm not going around the bobble, I'm not pulling it I'm not pulling it tightly around the bobble. I'm kind of going around in a curl shape to keep it nice and big. Tucking in those ends and just pinning it all in place, and you can see that you can kind of make them join together and it all comes into one big bun shape. So just looking at the twists, looking where the hair is, trying to pin so you hide the pins. It's like hook it up and over and then down. And then finally with this one on the right hand side now, again, just flip it round and then pin, do a bit more and pin until you're happy that it's secure enough. So I'm not wrapping them around really tight because I want it to make a big shape all around the back of her head. And then when you've got all of the buns in place, you just need to go around and just like fix it to look nice. You're just going to be looking to see, have you got the loops in the right place? Do you want to just alter it slightly? Is it looking symmetrical across the back of her head? Just making sure that it looks nice from all the different angles. And you can just do that with the pins. And then I've got a really cute hairband here that's got clips on the end. It's just a string of flowers with little crocodile clips on each end. So you can just lay that over the style. But you could use anything here. You could use real flowers, you could do a bow, you could leave it completely plain, you could add in some pins, whatever you like. But this is what my little girl had for her first Holy Communion. So I've got this to hand to use, and I think that looks really cute. And so ready for the final spin. Here we go. So it looks really, really cute, really elegant. I haven't used any spray on her hair, but maybe if I was going to go out, I'd put a little bit of hairspray on those baby hairs just at the front. So, isn't it a really pretty style? I think this style is really, really cute for maybe a first Holy Communion, or being a bridesmaid, or maybe if you're going to a special party. It's really, really cute. It's so super simple. All you need to do is just those 3 little ponytails, and you could do the rope twist, or you could change it up to just a regular braid, and then you just pull it and make it nice and big, and then you're able to just create this really cute curly effect without having to use any heat or making it take a really long time. Just need to pin it in and it's done. And then you can add little flowers, really, really cute. Subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Put what you'd like to see next in the comments below, and then we will try and make some tutorials that you really want to see next. Okay, take great care, stay safe, bye.
Bye.